Our today's topic is very important for our health, vitamin D. Did you know that our bodies produce vitamin D through natural sunlight exposure? However, in today's world, this is no longer an option for many people. That's why it's important to take a vitamin D supplement. But what are the benefits of vitamin D? Let me tell you, there are a lot of them. First of all, vitamin D is important for bone health. It helps maintain strong and healthy bones, especially in people not exposed to sunlight. Additionally, vitamin D plays a crucial role in immune system function. It helps to fight off infections and diseases, such as colds and the flu. But there are more benefits to vitamin D than just bone and immune health. It also helps to reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. Vitamin D also plays a crucial role in brain function and can help to improve cognitive function in older adults. Now, you might be wondering, how much vitamin D do I need? The recommended daily dose for adults is 400 IU. This can be taken as a single supplement or divided into multiple doses throughout the day. It's important to talk to your healthcare provider before taking a vitamin D supplement to make sure that you're getting enough. In conclusion, vitamin D is an important nutrient that has a lot of benefits for our health. It's important to take a vitamin D supplement if you're not getting enough through natural sunlight exposure or diet. Make sure to talk to your healthcare provider before taking a supplement to make sure that you're getting the recommended daily dose for your age and health status. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful to you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more informative videos like this one. See you next time.